Hello. Are there?
Happy birthday tonight.
Priya ma'am?
Yeah, yes, Parul. Shall I
I
start?
can hear you. Now I can hear you. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Parul. Shall I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it clear now? I mean, I hope there are no disturbances.
Yes, it's clear for me. How about my voice?
Yeah, now it's clear actually.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Good morning, everyone. This is Priya, Assistant Director from National Skill Training Institute, Bangalore. So we were in the discussing about the subject digital electronics. So last week we discussed the theory part of that, and this week I'm taking you into the practical session of the digital electronics. So in yesterday's class we discussed like one of the simple software we use for building and simulating the digital circuit. So we have seen that software as so many softwares I have listed for you. That is TINA software, Circuit Lab, LogiSim, OrCAD, ProTease. So similar to that, so many softwares are available in free of cost. So you can freely download those softwares and you can use those. Even the students version of free software is always available. Students can download those softwares and make use of this. Okay. Then one more thing about these simulation software is almost all the simulation softwares will have the similar options. My voice is not clear? Hello, now is it clear, ma? Hello, is it clear now? Okay, I'll start, huh? Yes. So this simulation software, most of the software will have similar type of menus, similar type of operations. Okay, if you practice any one of the software, you can very easily work on the other softwares. Okay, other simulation softwares. So it's not just like if I learn one software, again while moving to the other software you have to once again practice from the base. So it's hello. Mute your mic.
आपकी आवाज कट हो रही है मैम.
ओपन है तो दे हमको
लोग बात आता है. मैं तुझे हेलो दाड़लो तो पण हेलो नाही दाडा लागते.
Please mute your mic.
क्या गला जो कर पाने?
बाकीच्या 8 जणांनी हाय हेलो केले.
कॉल कैसे कर लेते हैं जी? हम लोग को बताइए कैसे कॉल कर लेते हैं. हेलो.
Please mute them.
చూడమా ఏమో కాలంటే इससे मैं 4 छोड़ देना
Participants, all of you, please mute your mic.
करायची
Participants, mute your mic. Start the class, mute the mic. Hello, clock. We have lost the control. We can't able to mute the participants. Parul. This is Priya Srinivasan. All of you mute the mic, please. We will start the class. Please mute your mic. We will start the class. Please mute your mic.
Your mic is this. So guys, mute your mic.
Mute, we can start the class, ma'am.
ಬೇಜ ಐತೆ ಬಿಸಿಲು ಅಂತ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾರ ಅವರು
कि तू साथ ओकरा सबके नाटक करला बता दे ना बोल के दे यार तू जो इसका अपन से
मैं सबको म्यूट कर रही हूँ तो ये अनम्यूट हो कैसे रहे हैं ये मेरे को ये नहीं समझ आ रहा फोन लेना
Yes. Yeah, Parul.
There is some. Okay, my colleague called me and he just told me about the class.
Okay. Shall I start?
Looks okay now. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Parul. Okay, ma'am. There is some disturbance because of the internet issue. We can't able to mute all the participants from our end. Okay. Now I feel it looks good now. I can everyone are in mute now. Okay, and hope you all can able to hear my voice clearly. If my voice is not audible, please put it in the chat window so we will help it out. Okay. So coming to the today's session, today I have planned for universal gates. So we all know that what is universal gate? Yes, isn't it? So what is universal gates? There are so many basic logic gates we have discussed. So among the logic gates, only so लॉजिक गेट्स में दो गेट्स हैं, वो NAND गेट और NOR गेट, वो दोनों यूनिवर्सल गेट्स. So why those two gates are called as universal gates is you can design any circuit using these two gates only. See, for example, if I want to design a half adder, some of the participants still not muted. I want everyone to be in mute. Please check your mic whether that is muted or not. If not, you mute by yourself. We have some internet issues, so the others can able to hear the class clearly. Yes, thank you, ma. So we will start. So universal gate, why those two gates are called as universal gates? Why those two are called as universal gate? That is NAND gate and then NOR gate. Why we call that as universal gate? I can design any circuit using these two gates only, so that it is called as a universal gate. See, we will take an example of half adder. I hope everyone can able to recollect what we discussed. So half adder consists of one XOR gate and then one AND gate. Yes, isn't it? So if you want to design a half adder, I want to pick up one IC of XOR gate and then one IC of AND gate. So totally how many ICs I occupy? I take two ICs. How much space I required in my board, my breadboard or any PCB board? I want space to occupy these two ICs. Yes, isn't it? It might be around 1 inch of space I want to occupy in the breadboard, for example. But in the same place, if I design a half adder only using NAND gate, is it possible? First of all, is it possible to design a half adder only using NAND gate or NOR gate? Yes, it's possible. We will see how to convert any circuit, how to convert any logic circuit into a NAND gate circuit only, into a NOR gate circuit only. So whatever might be your circuit, take any one expression, draw the logic diagram of that, and then later you can convert that circuit only using NAND gate. It is as much as easy as you do a simple logical examples. So how you play a game. So like that, it is as much easy. We will see how to do that. Yes. So is it possible to change the half adder circuit only using NAND gate? Yes, only using NAND gate I can do that. So inside a NAND IC, how many gates are available? We have 4 gates are available inside a NAND gate IC. So in the place of 2 ICs, one for XOR and one for AND gate for a half adder, in the place of that, I'm going to place what? I'm going to place only one IC of NAND gate. So using one gate, one IC, I'm going to get the operation of half adder operation. Yes, that is the logic. And I no need to go in search of different ICs. OR gate I want, AND gate I want, XOR gate I want. No need to search for different ICs. I can simply go to the market, collect some 20 NAND gate IC or 20 NOR gate IC. Any circuit I want, I will build that circuit only using NAND gate or only using NOR gate. Okay, so that is the logic. So that's why we are studying this topic, why it is universal gate and why we want to study this. So before moving into the complete NAND implementation, once we will recall, you all can see the PPT, no? Yes. Yes. We will recall how the NAND gate is one more time. So this is our NAND gate, and then for NAND gate, only when both the inputs are 1, 1, the output will be 0. In all other time, the output will be 1 only. So that is the logic of NAND gate. So what is given here? NAND gate is a universal gate, meaning that any other gate can be represented as a combination of NAND gate. तो सभी gates NAND gate में क्या option है आपको? सभी gates you can design using the NAND gate only. So that is the option given by NAND gate. See first. So we have so many gates, like we have a basic gates or not and then or. These three are the basic gates. And then which are all the special gates? Anyone? Which are all the special gates? Special gates क्या क्या gates हैं? कितने special gates हैं? चैट में मैसेज करो कितने स्पेशल गेट्स हैं. स्पेशल गेट्स का नाम क्या है? स्पेशल गेट्स का नाम, यस वेरी करेक्ट, इट इज XOR एंड देन XNOR. वो दोनों स्पेशल गेट्स हैं. और and or not वो तीन गेट्स बेसिक गेट्स हैं. वो तीन लोग बेसिक गेट्स हैं. और XOR और XNOR, वेरी गुड, XOR और XNOR, so many answers I am getting. So those are special gates. Yes. So all these gates, whatever gate you want, I can get. How I can get? I can get only through the NAND gate. So how I can make a NOT gate? See, I have a NOT gate here. I have a NOT gate here. How I can make a NOT gate using NAND gate? See, for example, you have stuck up in this lockdown and you are very passionate about designing hardwares. Okay, so you have few stuffs in your hand to design some circuit and check some circuit, but you have stuck up with all the gates or NAND gate only. But you want to design a NOT gate. You want the operation of NOT gate. Is it possible to do NOT gate using NAND gate? Is it possible to do NOT gate using NAND gate? Yes, it's possible. So we will see how we can do that. Yes. So this is our NOT gate. If I give A here, my output will be A bar. If I give B here, my output will be B bar. Okay. So here, how I can get NOT gate using NAND gate? Just tie these two inputs together. Tie these two inputs together. So what is the input? I apply A here. So here also it will be A. And here also it will be A. And what is the output here? See, here it is A. And what is here? Here also it is A. What is the logic? Q will be equal to what? Q will be equal to, will it be equal to A dot A whole bar? Will it be equal to A dot A whole bar? See this one. Y is equal to A dot B whole bar. What is my B? My B is also A again. My B is also A again. So it will come, A will come 2 times. A dot A. So A has come 2 times. So A dot A. Okay. So for example, if A is 1, so this A will also be 1. This A will also be 1. And here also it will be 1. 1 dot 1 whole bar. So what is 1 into 1? 1 into 1 is again equal to 1. Okay, 1 bar. So what is 1 bar? 1 bar is finally, 1 bar is 0. So here how my expression will change? My expression will change like A bar. Yes, so this is A dot A is equal to A only. So 1 dot 1 is equal to 1 only. So that is the logic. Yes, got it? So if I apply 1 here, what I'll get? If I apply 1 here, what I'll get? I'll get 0. Similarly, if you apply 0 here, what you will get? You will get 1 here. So how you can change the NAND gate to a NOT gate? If I tie both the inputs together, I'll get I'll get NAND gate, which is working as a NOT gate. I'll get the operation of NOT gate operation. Yeah, got it? So like this, you can change any other gates to any other gates only using NAND gate. So now I'm going to do the exercise of what? Exercise of AND gate, OR gate, NOR gate, XOR gate and XNOR gate. Whichever gate is available, we are going to change those gates with the help of NAND gate only. Okay, that is the exercise. Yes, so A here and A here. So A dot A whole bar. So 1 into 1 is what? 1 into 1 is 1 only. So A into A is A only. Okay, so this bar will continue here. Okay, so now we get, if you apply 1 here, you will get 0 in the output side. So that is the logic. Yes, clear about this? Not using NAND. Hope you all clear. Okay, that went quite good for my NOT gate. So it's very simple. If I connect two inputs together, it's very simple for me. But for all other gates, I need to follow few steps to convert all the gates using NAND gate. So we will see what are all the steps. If you remember these steps, it's quite easy. Okay, तो क्या steps हैं? So step number 1, okay, add bubble. Add bubble. वो क्या है bubble? Bubble is this. This is bubble. Okay, add bubble. Bubble is inversion. Oh, a bubble. Okay, add bubble to the output side of AND gate. आपको पास AND gate है, आप bubble output side में add करो. और आपको पास OR gate है, add bubble to the input side. Okay, if you have a AND gate, add bubble to the output side. If you have a OR gate, add bubble to the input side. ये first step है, हमारा first step है. So second step क्या है? So change all the bubbles to NOT gate. So bubble का meaning क्या है? Bubble का meaning inversion है. Bubble का meaning inversion है. Yes, na? See, for example, so this is NAND gate. The same, this is the ulta of AND gate. So AND gate, what is my expression? A dot B. A AND gate hai. So which is added here? Bubble is added here. If I add the bubble, so what is coming on the output side? My output is changed to A dot B. A dot B whole bar. Okay, my output is changed like this. So bubble का meaning क्या है इधर? Bubble का meaning outside और NOT gate है. So that is the meaning of bubble. So output side of the AND gate is having a bubble. So wherever you have a bubble, you just change the bubble to the NOT gate. So किधर से bubble, किधर bubble आता है, आप bubble सभी bubble का NOT gate में convert करो. तो first step क्या है? आपको पास AND gate है, output side bubble add करो, और आपका पास OR gate है, आपको पास OR gate है, इनपुट साइड में बबल ऐड करो. एक फर्स्ट स्टेप है. तो इसमें सेकेंड स्टेप क्या है? चेंज ऑल द बबल्स टू नॉट गेट. तो सभी बबल्स को यू चेंज ऑल योर बबल्स टू द नॉट गेट. ओके, दैट इज द सेकेंड स्टेप. थर्ड स्टेप, एलिमिनेट डबल इन्वर्शन. Eliminate double inversion. See, for example, I have a circuit like this, 2 NOT gates. Okay, I apply 1. So इधर output क्या है? 0. और इधर में output क्या है? 1. Yes. तो ये double inversion है. इसमें एक inversion है और इसमें और एक inversion है. Double inversion है. So if you apply 1, you will get the same one on the other side. Okay. So there is no need of this double inversion. If you have anywhere you've seen this double inversion, You just delete this double inversion. So that is the meaning. Yes. Now fourth step is my change all gates to NAND gate. Change all gates to NAND gate. So this is what we are going to use all the steps to design any gates to NAND gate. This is what I am going to follow. So once again, you can go through the steps. We can move to the building of these gates. So AND gate means add bubble to output side, OR gate means add bubble to input side. Change all bubbles to NOT gate. Eliminate double inversion. Change all gates to NAND gate. So these are the things available. So it's like a solving a puzzle. You can do this. You can complete this. Okay. So we will see from the first. So first क्या है AND gate using NAND gate. Okay. So using NAND, I want to design which gate? I want to design a AND gate. Okay. So first I'll take AND gate. Okay. First you take the AND gate. So it is my AND gate. So where I want to add the bubble? If it is AND gate, add bubble in the output side. Okay. Which is my output side? This is my output side. So bubble is added in the output side. So listen carefully. If you can understand any one example, you can apply the same for all your circuits, all your logic circuits. Okay. So this exercise is present in your syllabus, ITI syllabus, CITS syllabus. So I have added bubble in the output side. Now what is the next case? This is step number 1. And what is my step number 2? Step number 2 is change all bubble. Change all bubble to what? All bubble to NOT gate. I have changed the bubble to NOT gate. This is step number 3. Okay. Sorry, step number 2. Step number 1 is over. Step number 2 is over. Eliminate double inversion. So this is double inversion. If I have two NOT gate in series, that is called as double inversion. So here in this circuit, I don't have two NOT gates in series. Okay. So I omit the step number 3. Yes. Then what is my step number 4? Change all gates to NAND gate. So how many gates I have here? I changed all my gates to NAND gate. So this is my first gate. This is my second gate. So NOT gate you know already. In the first step itself, we discussed how to change the NOT gate to NAND gate. So like that you change all your gates to NAND gate. Okay. Now what it is telling? Why to follow all these steps? Okay. Now this circuit will give you the operation of AND gate. This circuit is going to give me the operation of AND gate. Okay. So let us see this, how it is actually giving this operation. Yes. So what is the expression for AND gate? Any one of you? Expression for AND gate? Boolean expression for AND gate? AND gate का Boolean expression क्या है? Q में क्या आउटपुट आता है? Yes, very good. It is A dot B. Okay, output you will get A dot B. Yeah, got it. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, we will check whether it's giving the same output or not. See, I apply A here, B here. So output of AND gate is NAND gate. Output of NAND gate is A dot B whole bar. Okay. So I apply this as an input to the second NAND gate. And here the second NAND gate will work as what? Will work as a NOT gate. Okay. Because two inputs are tied together. Yes. Got it? Now what happened? A dot B whole bar. If I put inside this NOT gate, it will change to A dot B double bar. Yes. A dot B double bar. So now this bar and this bar will cancel each other and my output will be A dot B. Got it? My output will be A dot B. So A dot B is what? A dot B is the expression of AND gate. Got it? So using this simple steps, we can very easily construct any gates using NAND gate. Got it, ma? Any doubts? Shall we proceed for the other gates also? Yes, okay, thank you. Okay, shall we try this using the software? Shall we try this design using the software? Because if the simulation is working fine, then the gate design should work fine, no? If the simulation is working fine. So which is the software we used? We used the software, it is Deeds. We used the Deeds software. So if possible, everyone can able to download the software and keep. I'll just open the software. Any software which is easy for you, you can make use of it. You can use any software. It's not mentioned in, no software is mentioned in our syllabus. So you can use any software. So either डीड सॉफ्टवेयर का फर्स्ट पेज ओपन हुआ. तो इसमें क्या क्या है? तो ऊपर में टाइटल बार है, नेक्स्ट इसमें मेनू बार है, तो नेक्स्ट भी फेमस मेनू ऑप्शंस हैं, और लास्ट वन क्या है? लास्ट वन इज टूल बार. लास्ट वन इज टूल बार. So these are the things available here. So first what I'll do, I'll go to file and you can open a new circuit here. So go to menu, circuit. I'll take a backdrop. Okay, this is my backdrop.
क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रही है आज? Yes, ma'am. Yes. No, you are here. You are back again. I can hear you. Oh, maybe I think this internet connectivity issue at your end, ma'am. Yeah, because I saw you. I saw the mic actually against your name. Yeah. Let me see. Okay, speak something. Let us see if you're able to. 1 second. Say something.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, okay. Okay, Param. Thank you. Okay, Ma, shall we resume the class? I have some internet issue, it seems. We will resume the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I hope we have left out in the. You all can see my software window.
No, we can see your screen, ma'am.
Only screen you are getting.
No, I cannot. Have you shared anything?
Yes, now you can see. Okay. I hope now everyone can see.
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you.
Yes, Pa, yes, thank you.
Yeah, I can see the screen.
Yes, so I'll start from the beginning where I have left. I went to the menu circuit. I have taken backdrop. I went to the menu circuit. I have clicked the backdrop option. So I'll get a box like this. If you place it on the screen, you will get a pop-up window here. So here, whatever I want, which circuit I want, I can build. I can give the name here. So what circuit I want a NOT gate. So just I'll type it here, and color of this, background color of your block, everything you can able to change. Okay. So this is for understanding. As I'm going to build so many circuit, so for my simple understanding, I have selected a backdrop. The backdrop is only for the background effect. That's it. Yes. And here in the toolbar option itself, all the gates are given in the toolbar option itself. So I'll go to the NAND gate option, select a 2 input NAND gate. Okay. Now place the NAND gate here. And you also know all time the gates will be attached in our mouse. So write escape. Press escape so that the gate will move. And control W to pick a wire. Control W to pick a wire. So now we are going to design a NOT gate. So I'll take a input switch. So how many input I want? Since it is a NOT gate, I'll take only one input. A is my input. And I don't want any other further input, so I cancelled my input. And I take a test LED. I'll place it the LED on the other side. Escape. Again, I'll take a wire to connect my inputs along with the gate. Yes. Okay, now our what is done, I have designed NOT gate using NAND gate. That design is over. So now I'll try to simulate it. So it's asking you want to save it. Yes, I want to save it. So I have created a folder inside my local drive, and then I'm going to save. So usually if you save this deed file, it will save in the extension of PBS. So someone asked what is the software name? The software name is Deeds, DEEDS. So which name you want? You can give that name. Okay, I'll give NAND Universal. NAND Universal is the name for my project. Okay, So now it's already simulated. Once I have saved, no, immediately at the time of saving only it started to simulate. So input is 0 now and output is glowing. The output test LED is glowing now. So if I make it 1, so output LED went to off state. Yes. So my NAND gate is very good working as a NOT gate. Yes, got it. And one more circuit we tried. What is that? We designed AND gate using NAND gate. Okay, so that also we will make in the other backdrop. Yes, so I'll stop the simulation. I'll go and change this to what? Change this to AND gate, no? So I'll put a AND gate. I want some more space. I copy the gates from here. So here I want 2 inputs to be connected, A and B. So one is for A, and another is for B input. Give OK. So AB is connected. Then only the output LED to be connected, that is test LED. Put a test LED. Yes, now we will take the press Ctrl W. You will get the wire in your mouse. So wherever you want, just click on the pink box. You will get, your wire will be connected. Yes, correct. Then I want to short these two, isn't it? Because I want to make that as a NOT gate. Yes. So what is my AND gate? My AND gate is my AND gate will work only when both the inputs are 1. The output LED should glow. If any one of the input is 0, my output will be in off state. That is my AND gate. Yes, correct. Shall we simulate? Yes, now the circuit is ready. Shall we simulate now AND gate? So go to the start animation button. So you want to save it? Yes, I want to save it. So it's simulated. See, input is 0, 0. Output is also 0. Input is 0, 1. Output is also 0. Again, I'll make 1, 0. Output is still 0. I make 1, 1. Yes, got it? So the NAND gate, using NAND gate, we can very well design the logic of AND gate. So is it possible using the OR gate? Shall we now move to the next topic, like designing OR gate using NAND gate? So one more time we will recall the steps. If it is AND gate, add bubble to the output side. If it is OR gate, add bubble to the input side. Change all bubble to the NOT gate, and then check for double inversion and eliminate, and finally change all your gates to NAND gate. So that is the simple logic, simple step always you should follow. So now again I'll go back to my slide. We will finish off OR gate. OR gate using NAND gate. So to move, before going to the OR gate, we will read the first step again. Add bubble to the output side of the AND gate, or add bubble to the input side of OR gate. So which gate I have now? I have a OR gate. So where I want to add the bubble? I want to add the bubble in the input side. So I have taken an OR gate. I have added a bubble to the input side of the OR gate. You can see this. What is my second step? Change all bubble to NOT gate. I have changed all my bubbles to the NOT gate. Next step is convert all the gates. Convert all the gates to NAND gate. Itme kitne gates हैं? वो सभी gates आप NAND gate में convert करो. So NOT gate, I know how to convert NOT gate to NAND gate. So OR gate also, whatever is your gate, just draw the NAND gate. Okay, whatever gates you have, just draw the NAND gates. So that is the thing. Yes, got it. So you want totally how many NAND gates you want? You want 3 NAND gates. So we will see whether we are getting the expression of OR gate. Okay, what is the expression of OR gate? Participants, what is the expression of OR gate? OR gate का expression क्या है? A plus B, very correct. But OR gate का expression A plus B. Yes, okay. So we will check whether we are getting that or not. So here I applied A. I'm getting A bar here. Either B, either say B bar. So if you give inside a NAND gate, what you will get? A bar dot B bar whole bar. Okay. So now what I do? I divide this. ऊपर में एक बार है ना, वो divide करो. So if you divide the bar, this sign will change to, this dot sign will change to plus. इधर ऊपर से एक बार है, whole bar है. If you divide that whole bar, you have to change the sign. Here I have dot sign, so I changed the dot sign to plus sign. Okay, so the bar is also divided. Now I have 2 bars. These 2 bar will cancel each other. So finally you will get A plus B. So A plus B is the OR gate. So OR gate, only for the first one you will get 0 0. All others you will get 1 1 1. Yes. So now this we will try using the using our software. Yes. So these two are ready. Now what we have here, again I'll go to circuit, backdrop. I'll take a backdrop. So what is my backdrop caption? I'll give OR gate. Okay. Then I want more space. I want to occupy 3 different gates. Yes. So I'll copy the gates from here. Yes, I have placed all the input, output, and then functional blocks. And the NAND gate is my functional block. Everything I have placed. So next step is I want to wire everything. What I collected, I want to wire all my inputs. Now I'll wire my inputs. Yes, done. So now because of copy paste, both my inputs came A, B, B. I'll change the caption to A here, label to A here. Yes. So now our circuit is ready for simulation. Okay. So shall we start? Yes. So again, I'll save in the same circuit. So both are 0 0. I'll give 1 So output LED goes to glowing. Then I'll make this as 1. So 1 1, my output is still glowing, and 1 0, so that is also still glowing. So whenever I come across the condition 0 0, my output goes to off. So now what we designed all the basic gates using NAND gate only. We designed all the basic gates using NAND gate only. So we will move to the NOR circuit. So NOR, what I have, I take a NOR gate here. So NOR gate is from the OR gate family. NOR gate is from the OR gate family. So what I'll do, I add bubbles to the input side of NOR gate. Okay. So change all your bubbles to NOT gate. So A, B, these two bubbles are changed. One more bubble is here. This also you have to change to NOT gate. I missed to change this one. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 gates you will get finally. Then after the second step, there is no double inversion. I'll jump to step number 4, changing all gates to NAND gate. Changing all gates to NAND gate. I have jumped. So I'll get what? I'll get the operation of NOT gate. So what is the truth table of NOT gate? In NOT gate, only for 0 0, I'll get output 1. In all other state, I'll get output 0. So one more time, we will verify the circuit, whether is it giving the operation of NOR gate. So how to verify that? So I apply A bar, B, I'm getting B bar, and here A bar dot B bar whole bar. So if I divide the whole bar, I'll get whole, W-H-O-L-E, whole bar. If I divide the whole bar, I have to change the sign here. So it will become A plus B and double bar. This double bar and this double bar we will cancel. So it will become A plus B. And still that is inverted, it will become A plus B whole bar. Okay. So it's working fine as a OR gate. So we will try out this also using our software. Yes, I'll copy the circuit. It's in simulation mode. I'll just stop the simulation. Backdrop, take backdrop. So it will be very clear if you put some backdrop or caption and all. It will be very clear for you. Yes. I'll expand my backdrop how much ever I want. I take the complete circuit of OR gate. So only thing I want to do is just ulta the, just give one more gate, add one more gate in the output side so that you will get the NOR gate operation. Yes. So I hope everything is done. We will do the connection also. So we will see. I have left one pin unconnected. This pin I have left unconnected. So here, if I try to simulate, see, whichever is getting simulated, NOT gate, I'm getting the correct output, and or I'm getting the output. See this NOT connection, it is showing in some pinkish color. So that is the error. So this point is not connected. That is the error. Okay, so I can make it connect and then I can finish my simulation part. So I'll save. Once saved, I'll go to the simulation. Yes. So 0, 0, NOR gate output is 1, and for all other combinations, output goes to 0. So 1, 0, 0, 1, output is 0, 1, 1, 1, 1 also, output is 0. Yes, got it. So like this, you can try any gates. You can realize any gates using NAND gate or any gate using NOR gate. See, I go to file, and I have the option save as image. I have the option save as image. Then see, I have the option in the circuit menu. I have the option text box. In the circuit menu, I have the text box option. So I can type design of gates using NAND gates. So this is my title for all my exercise. Then I'll go to file and then save as image. I give save as image. So it is asking whether you want to show the grid schematic only or what you wrote and all you want to save. I'll give an image preview. So all this will be saved. What exercise, what work I carried out, everything will be saved. Give close and then give save file. So now while saving, it will save in PNG, .png. So it is the same and universal. That is the name of my circuit. In the same name, it will save. So I'll give save. Okay, now I'll check. I'll go to that folder and I'll check what image got saved there. Yes, so these are all the lab experiments I did, and these two are the images I saved. So this is the image I saved just now. So we will just double click and see what is saved there. So this is what is saved in our folder. So the title is there, and then what and all exercise we did, NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate, NOR gate. So these exercises are present for us. So you can just take this as a printout and you can paste it in your record note. So you can also get the output. What output? If I want to change its input, I can change the input and I can save so that it looks like the LED is glowing in the output side. Yes. Okay. I'll give you, because of the time constraint, I can't able to complete my topic today, and also because of the network issue. So I would like to give you 2 practice exercise today. So you all come out with the circuit and you can show that tomorrow. So what final circuit you got? So we have left out with 2 more gates, that is XOR gate and then XNOR gate. Okay, these 2 gates are left out. So use the simple steps. I'll put the steps one more time. You can use the simple steps to convert XOR and then XNOR using the basic gates. Yes. So I'll give you one more tip for this. See, XOR gate, this is the symbol of XOR gate. And you know the expression of XOR gate. A dot B bar plus A bar B. So this is the expression of XOR gate. This XOR gate you cannot directly convert to NAND circuit. If you want to convert, first change the XOR gate using basic gates. So using basic gates, you have to draw the circuit. So what is my expression? A dot B bar plus A bar dot B. That is my expression for XOR gate. So using this, you have to draw this. And wherever you have AND gate, put bubble on the output side. Wherever you have OR gate, put bubble on the input side. Yes. So that is your homework. I hope everyone will do this. And also for XNOR gate. See, XNOR gate, what is the expression we have? A dot B plus A bar dot B bar. That is the expression we have. So using this expression, you have to draw the logic diagram first using basic gates. Then only you can convert that to NAND logic. Okay. So if you want, you can take a screenshot of these two slides. This one, and then this one. Yes. Any doubts? Any queries, ma? Any doubts, ma? Okay, you all can practice the exercise just using simple paper pen. You can practice this. If you don't have the option of laptop or mobile, you can't able to use. Just use pen and paper to work out this. And tomorrow we will resume and I'll complete this topic. Okay. Yeah, tomorrow I'm planning to do the combinational circuit. It is half adder. So steps, someone has messaged, it's difficult to understand the steps. So one more time I'll post the steps so that you can take a snapshot of that. And then you just practice with the simple gate, AND gate or OR gate you practice. Then it is very easy. The same thing applies for any complex circuit. It is very easy. Any doubt is there, you can post it in the tomorrow chat window, you can post it. Yeah.